Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Tuesday, September 13th. It is the 256th day of the year. There are 109 days left. Happy National Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day.
National Kids Take Over the Kitchen Day on September 13th brings the youngest cooks into the kitchen. Kids and teens across the country are called to take over their kitchens. This observance encourages using their favorite recipes to make a meal for the family. Of course, adult supervision is required for the younger bakers and chefs in the house. The Young Chefs Academy mission empowers kids and teens to become more actively involved in the kitchen. They encourage children to help in the planning, preparation, and cooking of meals. Another focus of the YCA includes fostering family bonds. When children take an active part in their family meal times, they learn to eat healthier. However, mealtime is also a social activity. We learn about each other's days and take an interest in each other's lives. Meal times are enormously productive when we work together and enjoy together as families. Today is also National Bald is Beautiful Day, National Peanut Day, Positive Thinking Day, and Roald Dahl Day. Did you know you can make penguins out of food? Gather the following ingredients: a carrot, black olives, cream cheese, and toothpicks. You're gonna like this one. So the first thing you're gonna do is peel your carrot, and then you want thick slices, about 1/2 inch. And you're going to cut a notch out of the carrot slice, and you want to save both pieces. Then you're going to take a black olive, and you're going to put the little notch that you cut out of the carrot in the hole of the black olive, and that's going to be the penguin's head with his beak. Then take another olive and slice it in half, and take a little piece of cream cheese and kind of roll it around and make a ball and sandwich it between the two halves of the olive. Then, using a toothpick, you want to stick it all together. The big slice of carrot is the feet, and then the olive with the cream cheese is the body, and then the olive with the carrot is the head, and you have just made the cutest olive penguin ever. How amazing is this? I'm pretty proud of this one.
Okay, National Dayers. Come on! Look at how cute those are. Do you know you could wow your family by serving these at the next holiday get-together, and you could be like, yep, I made these cute little penguins myself, and they're delicious too. All right, National Dayers, keep smiling, have a terrific Tuesday, get in the kitchen and make something, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
It's time for super spectacular shout-outs. Shout-outs today start off with Mr. L and everyone in his 5th grade class at Gila Crossing Community School in Gila River Indian Community in Laveen, Arizona. Next up is Mrs. Munoz and everyone in her 4th grade class at Monarch PK8 in Louisville, Colorado. Third up today is Miss Alicia and everyone in the Options program at Augusta High School in Augusta, Kansas. Our 4th shout out today goes out to Ms. Sayer and everyone in her 1st grade class at St. Elizabeth's Catholic School in Kansas City, Missouri. And our 5th shout out today goes out to Miss Howard's exceptional education class at Coffee County High School in Douglas, Georgia. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated super spectacular shout out map.